Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna unbox a Bluetooth portable speaker which is made by a relatively newer brand called BoAt. I got this speaker for about 1900 rupees from Flipkart, and let's see how good this speaker is. The packaging is decent and the price quoted in the box is rupees 3990. It also says it comes with an year of warranty. As the specification goes, it's got twin speakers for stereo sound with 10 watts of output and can play continuously up to 8 hours in a single charge. To the top, we have call answer button flanked by volume up, volume down and power button. To the sides, we have 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB for charging and a microphone. We have a nice rope to carry the speaker and it's damn sturdy as well. The overall build quality is decent for the price, feels good in hands to hold, seems robust enough for day-to-day usage, so you wouldn't have to worry carrying the speaker. Let's power it on. It seems it does not have any juice inside, so let me put it on charge and get back to you. Now it has got charged and the blue light starts blinking. Let me play some music to let you know how it sounds. Sit back and enjoy.
तेरे को पता है ना कि मैं खुद से
Definitely the speaker is extremely loud. It's even louder than the JBL Flip 2 that I have previously had. The highs are so crisp for the price. I also own a tiny boy named JBL Go. Let's see how he sounds now. I play both the speakers at the maximum volume and it's up to you to decide which is the loudest and the crispest. If you guys want, I can make a comparison review between the BoAt Rugby, JBL Charge 2 and the JBL Go. Please do click the like button if it doesn't cost you anything to do that. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.